This video is about Max Stirner's ethical egoism. Max Stirner is a 19th century German philosopher and teacher influenced by the development of existentialism and individual anarchism.
Psychological egoism says that self-interest is the root cause of human action, even when it appears to be altruistic. In contrast, Stirner claims three things. The first one, we think we are acting out of self-interest, but we're not. The second one, we are slaves to other interests like duty, guilt, or conscience. And the third one, we are deceived into thinking it is our self-interest to obey those interests. Acts are neither altruistic nor self-interested. Instead, they are controlled by a sense of duty to some other value.
The root cause is not the self, but obligation. These hidden controls remove our freedom to choose our best interest. Even when we think we have thrown off these scatchels, they remain ghost-like behind our motives. Stirner argued the ego is a slave to obligations. 2. Freedom comes when I recognize my owners or authority over myself. 3. Ownness is realized by understanding that our uniqueness gives us power to make our own decisions. Rejection of egoism for material gain. One obligation we feel is our physical desires. What is in my self-interest may not even be bound by these desires. My uniqueness gives me power over my physical desires. This means I need not to be materialistic to be an egoist.
How the agent behaves depends upon their own unique nature. No one has any obligation to anyone else. Each ego operates accordingly to self-interest. There is no benefit to an ego to be greedy or antisocial. There is benefit to an ego to cooperate with other egos to some extent.